The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
The Call Center Show presents the top 5 SL reasons. At number 5, LBM.
Yo, boss. May makakapasok na puyat ako kasi may LBM ako. Nakakasampung labas na nga eh. Nagpalit na ako ng... Masakit mang isipin, nakapagpalit na ako ng brief. 10 beses din, boss. Hindi ko talaga kaya, boss. Dadala ako med-shirt bukas, ha? Kahit stool sample, magdadala ako, boss. Okay, salamat po.
Number 4, migraine.
Boss, di ako makakapasok. Masakit po talaga ulo ko, boss. Hindi talaga kaya, boss. Ayoko na. Boss. Bye-bye, boss. Insert bukas, propping.
At number 3, flu.
Boss. Yes, I'm suffering of flu. Di po makakapasok, boss eh. Masama po talaga, boss. Kita mo naman sa boses ko, di makapagsalita lang ayos. Dadala ko paramis med-shirt bukas. Okay, boss. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Number 2, sore throat. And the most effective sick leave reason, toothache.
Huwag niyo ako nakakapasok eh. Bagang ko. Hindi kaya mo yun eh. Hindi ako nagalaw. Bagang ko buo. Train.
Ikaw ay
Filipino.
Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ko. Ito ng tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pangbato. Pumunta ng...
Hello! Sunday! It's a rainy Sunday.
Yes. Hello.
Ella, kumusta ka na?
Okay naman. Medyo...
Parang may kulang eh, no? Parang may kulang. Isa siyang alaala na lang. Joms!
If you're watching.
Hahabol daw siya eh. Pero hahabol daw siya. Anyways, welcome again to another Sunday evening dito sa Call Center Show. As you can see here, nandito kami sa Metro Walk.
Yes. Ulit!
Pabalik-balik lang. Na yung pinakamalapit. Pero, ano ba, napaka-exciting naman natin yan. Napaka-exciting na episode natin ngayon. Because it's all about music. And one of my favorite
talaga.
Distress.
Favorite
Na pantanggal ng stress sa music. And I think almost all our call center friends, yun talaga yung pantanggal nila ng ng stress.
True.
Okay, so anyway, before we go to our topic, ano mga pinagagawa mo last week?
Ako, puro aral. Aral. Hindi, seryoso, medyo nasasabaw na yung utak ko sa bago kong work. But, so far, nakaka-cope naman. So, there. Ikaw?
Yun lang, aral.
Puro aral.
Ako medyo makulay yung buong linggo ko ngayon. Kasi madaming nangyari sa linggo ngayon. Saan ko ba sisimulan? Sa buwisit ba? O sa...
Sa good muna, sa good.
Well, sa good. Well, napakaganda. A lot of celebrities picture.
Nakikita ko nga yan.
Kasi, natutuwa lang ako kasi masaya. Hindi, it started with Monday, Glock 9, and then Janice de Belen, and then we have Sunshine Cruz.
Rektang-rekta ka sa mga artista, alam mo yan.
Wala, picture lang, ito naman. Hindi man ano.
Sige na
ano
nga.
lang yun. Pero, aside from that, work naman, soup calls, tangina. Agad lang, araw-araw ginawa ng Diyos. Soup calls, and then, I spent 300 pesos sa parking fees sa Libis. Last week, kinulit ka yan, di ba? Hindi ko kasi kinikwenta pero sinubukan kasing kwentahin. 350, parang 3 meals na yun eh.
In short, wag ka nang magdala ng motor, maglakad ka na lang. Exercise yun, dude. Kailangan.
Hindi kasi the problem is, umaalis kasi ako ng bahay, sakto. Kagaya nga ng pinost ko sa status page, yung the Honda. Ako kasi yung tipo na gusto ko sakto lang ako dumating, and then, pagdating ng shift, I don't wanna go on overtime, I don't wanna go on overtime. I could use my lunchtime to, alam mo. Pero, no, I'm not the one like favorable if you're doing overtime.
Puro ako aral kasi puro lectures na. Wala pa kami sa floor. We're not yet taking in calls. Pero, alam mo yung pag gusto mo yung mga workmates mo, tapos yung trainer ko, sobrang, he's very commendable kasi, ayos siya magturo eh. He's very comprehensive. So, there.
Ayun. Sa akin naman, another thing is, tangina, brownouts. Blackout. There was a time na nagkaroon yata ng blackout. I think that was around Wednesday, kung di ako nagkakamali. Sobra. Ibang klase yung brownout nung isang araw. And then, icing on the cake, bago punta rito, I brought my desktop here. Kasi while transferring, guess what? Nag-brownout pa rin.
Magaling.
Diba? Napakagaling. So, I have to carry my desktop all the way from Cainta to the studio here in Rockwell.
Yeah, alam mo, that's something that I cannot relate to. Kasi sa Pasig, walang brownout. Puro na nag-flicker yung light, pero hindi nagpa-brownout. I'm so sorry.
Ay, nako. Anyways, so yun, before going there, ngayon pala, Happy Mother's Day. Ngayon ay araw ng mga ina nyo.
Yes, Happy Mother's Day sa ating...
Binabati namin ang lahat ng mga ina nyo, at ang mga ina nyo, at ang mga... Yung mga ina sa call center, mga inang puyat ng call center. Maganda, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. And tomorrow naman is, what? Election Day.
Elections. Vote wisely, please. Yan.
Kung boboto kayo, mag-vote kayo ng mga taong tatagal yung kasiyahan, or papaginawahin kayo ng 3 taon. Hindi yung papaginawahin lang kayo ng 3 oras.
Tama. Yan.
Kasi pag binigyan kayo ng isan, 500, vote buying, 500 lang. Binabenta ko po yung boto ko, by the way. I'm selling my vote for 4 million pesos.
Beat that. Yan.
Kung may bibili po ng boto ko, binabenta ko po yung boto ko for 4 million pesos.
Napakamahal naman ng boto mo. Sandali
Parang walang bumili, di ba? Taas naman na yung presyo.
Yun pala, in relation to that, kanina lang napanood ko sa news before going here, na nag-release ang...
Wow, babasa na yung news.
Napanood ko sa what's this? PPCRV. They released like a 10 commandments ng
Promise?
pagbo-vote. Oo.
Ano?
The things that you have to remember tomorrow, yung mga yan, wag hayaang bilhin yung boto nyo. Huwag kayong boboto out of utang na loob.
Maligo bago bumoto.
Yan, maligo, mag-toothbrush. Yan.
Toothbrush bago bumoto.
Yan. Yun lang. Most likely yan, marirelease yan sa news later. So, please vote wisely. Maawa naman kayo sa ating lahat.
And speaking of votes, bago ko makalimutan, nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng followers ng The Call Center Show, sa lahat ng mga nanonood.
Thank you.
Because, first time, we were nominated sa TAT Awards 2013 as for Best Podcast. Okay,
New podcast. There.
Hindi tayo new.
New pod.
Oo nga magulo nga yun Pero basta, ninominate nyo kami, yun yung importante.
Vote.
Hindi naman kami nangangarap manalo. Pag nanalo, thank you, pero
kung hindi
masaya
naman,
namin.
okay lang.
Kasi we're gonna be screened pa Yun yung process ng TAT Awards 2013 that you have to after you get nominated, dun pa lang ang dami-dami ang mga kalinya nga natin. Yung natin, yung na-nominate tayo sa lineup ng yugatech.com.
Oh wow.
And that's like the top website, top blog in the Philippines. And to be malinya ka lang doon, alam mo na nga tayo ulit. 2 buwan!
alam mo
2 buwan
yan.
pa lang ang The Call Center Show. We started way back in March. Now we're nominated. The fuck! Di ba?
Galing.
Sobrang saya. Sobrang
Repeat.
saya. Doon pa lang, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga kamag-anak ko na nag-nominate sa amin online. Maraming salamat po.
Yan.
There.
Yan.
And,
Saya.
balik na natin. Saya mo. And then,
Saya.
balik na natin. Balik na natin yung discussion kung bakit napakasaya. Dagdagan pa natin yung saya because we're gonna talk about music today. Ang sabi nga nila, the music is the food for the soul. Sa, kahit sino naman tao yun yung
Music is the universal language. Yan. Hindi ganyan.
Hindi ba?
Pero ganun.
Wala si Jobs wala akong katandem ng Midnight Dancers
Sige.
But anyways, so yun, music will start off with the band from the call centers. Actually, we only have one band today because the other one didn't make it because for some reason, they said that they had problems with their transportation, so and it's raining, so it's understandable. But in any case, we'd like to present to you the band, our guest band for today, from the call centers, or from the call center. All of them are coming from our line of business.
Yes.
Please welcome Snoozebox!
Snoozebox.
Yay!
Yay! Hello.
Opo kayo. Dito kayo.
Yan. Ganda dito sa metro.
Sa Metro Walk, no?
Yung cyber mong paa, lagay mo dyan.
Taba mo rito.
Ay, angas.
Nasa kayo isa.
Batchoy.
May rehistro, no? May rehistro sa camera. Okay lang. O, dito tayo. Yan.
Busog ko naman.
Okay. So, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Eric Samonte. I'm workforce team lead.
I'm JPS Piras, lead guitars. Technical support.
Okay.
Saya ka na.
TJ on second guitars. Workforce din. Ken De Castro workforce din.
Puro
Workforce pala to.
Yeah, workforce.
Sa mga Auto-in!
Pulis pang
Kinangina mo,
kalawakan.
Auto-in!
Tama, pulis pang
Mga
kalawakan.
polis pang kalawakan pala to. So, gano'n na kayong katagal sa Gano'n na kayong katagal sa BPO or sa call center?
2006?
2006.
2006.
Sabay-sabay din kayo.
Yes.
So,
Kaya I started.
lahat kayo nag-start? Nag-agent ba kayo?
Oo,
Yun, di ba? Ano yung mga hindi nyo makakalimutang part nung naging agent kayo?
Yung mga mandatory overtime, tapos
Kuha ka ng pinagyan.
Soup call.
Parang may pinag-uugutan.
bawal ang ACW.
Bawal na easy
Tapos pag magbe-break, tawag muna sa workforce. No,
Pero kami na ngayon yung tinatawag.
Kami na yung tinatawag.
Sarap na. Sabi ko, ano ba pakiramdam? Kasi ako parang naisip ko din, alam ba magaling ka sa math? Pagpunta mong workforce.
Hindi.
Parang wala yata marunong sagot sa amin. Pero more of statistics kasi. Pero
Yung mga, mga occupancy.
Ayun.
Yan, kung paano nyo pag-aaralan, kung... Pinag-aaralan nyo ba, kung makikita nyo sa numero kasi makikita nyo kung stress na yung tao. Diba? Kaya hindi ka tumingin sa tao, pero pag nakita mo yung numero, malalaman mo. Mataas yung occupancy, tapos...
Ito yun eh. Siya yun.
Anyways, so yun, anong tugtugan nyo?
Fusion kasi yung nag-start kami mag-fusion kasi. More of parang nu metal, Deftones, tapos medyo may halo may mga halo ng mga rap, mga Wu-Tang Clan, Beastie Boys.
So ano din talaga? Fusion. Parang Rage.
Ayun,
parang
parang
Eleven. Pwede. So, mga influences nyo, ano?
mostly yun, Deftones, iba-iba Beatles.
Number one rin influence is Beatles pa rin. Parang
Something in common yata yung Beatles sa ayun, 311.
Pwede. So, ano ba? Sampulan? Sample na. Game na.
Wala. Okay.
Pwede.
Anong unang tutugtugin nyo?
This song is called Lahi. Original song siya na i-release under the company's parang underground record siya. So this is an original song coming from a call center band. This is Lahi. Ika'y aking mahal. Magkaisa tayo, magkasundo tayo, kapit kamay, problema'y harapin. Magsama-sama tayo, ikaw at ako, ulan ang bayan ko, lahing Pilipino, lahing Pilipino. Sing Filipino sa bagong umaga, huwag na maghintay, umahon ka na. Tagal at prinsipyo sa'yo ay hanguin, huwag mag-alala-galit ka'y umangat. Lusat pa sa kiwa gawing halang, matutong lumaban sa lumang galimlan. Bagong kailangan, tungo sa progreso at pag-asenso. Kumotsamya, Filipino ako, sa puso at isipan, ilang daan taon, nung may pinahirapan, dugo at pawis, ang aming pinuhunan, upang makamit inaasam na kalayaan kabataan. Ikaw ang susi ng kinabukasan, sa'yo nakasalalay, pag-asa ng ating bayan, taas noo, isigaw sa buong mundo. Filipino ako, magkaisa tayo, magkasundo tayo, kapit kamay, problema'y harapin. Magsama-sama tayo, ikaw at ako, ulan ang bayan ko, lahing Pilipino, lahing Pilipino. At sa dilim darating na liwanag, huwag kalimutang tumawag sa kanya. Magkaisa, Kristiyano at Muslim, ulad ang bayan ko, at lahing Pilipino, lahing Pilipino. Magkaisa tayo, magkasundo tayo, kapit kamay, problema'y harapin. Magsama-sama tayo, ikaw at ako, ulan ang bayan ko. Magkaisa tayo, magkasundo tayo, kapit kamay, problema'y harapin. Magsama-sama tayo, ikaw at ako, ulan ang bayan ko, lahing Pilipino. Lahing Pilipino. Thank you.
Goosebumps! Parang fan na ako, bumabalik yung ano eh. mga kabataan eh.
Maganda.
Yun yung isa pa. Yun yung isa pa maganda sa music kasi hindi ka tumatanda ng mabilis eh. Pag masikero ka eh.
You should see our basis.
Wala yung basis.
Naglalaban.
So yun, anong title nito?
Lahi.
Nasa YouTube din to. Pwede
Oo.
balik-balikan.
YouTube. Nasa YouTube. Mag-subscribe kayo.
Yun.
Pati sa amin.
Yung YouTube na lang kayo.
Yung YouTube na lang.
Parang akmang-akma yung kanta. So what's happening? What will happen tomorrow?
Yun yung kasi ako personally, the moment na may narinig akong lyrics na may Pilipino, lahi, hindi ako mukhang makabayan eh, pero anyway,
Antik.
when we conceptualize the call center show, dun kami nag-focus eh.
Yeah.
Pinoy. Hindi call center na kung saan-saan. Call center sa Pilipinas. Yun yung nire-represent. And having a band or having heard that type of song or kind of song makes me really want to be a Filipino.
Makes me proud.
Masaya. So yun. Again, mamaya, tutugtugan ulit tayo. Pero ito, meron kami the past 2 weeks, we've been asking, or actually, meron kaming bagong segment, or not really a bagong segment, but we have a segment called Agent Ambush. And naghanap kami, where we're adding up one more lucky Facebook follower or Facebook liker, or if you want to call it like that, to be part of our show. So ngayon we had 4. I think we had 4, 3 guys and a girl, and after the screening, we asked them for requirements. Only 2 made it. So ngayon, papakita namin, we'd like to present to you the 2 finalists for Agent Ambush Correspondent.
Vote for the girl.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ryan. And I'm the next Agent Ambush Correspondent right here on the Call Center Show. All you need to do is click on the like and get the like button bottom of this video, and that's it. The more likes, the more chances of me being on the show. So I'd like to ask for your support and click on the like button and tell your friends so that I will be the next Agent Ambush Correspondent right here on the Call Center Show. See y'all guys.
Come on!
Nasa sa girl.
So yun.
Yung kay ano lang kayo.
Huli!
Galing namin rito sa Metro Walk.
May pinili. Anyway, so that's Ryan. If you wanna vote for him, after the show, automatically it will be uploaded in a YouTube channel. But before that, before we give the mechanics of how to vote for Ryan, we're gonna present next, or we're gonna present Angel next.
Yeah.
She's the girl that I was talking about.
Hey, this is Angel Ray. And I'm joining the call center show, Search for Agent Ambush Correspondent. Well, I'm a proud member of the call center industry, and my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, dancing, a little bit on singing, and yeah, I definitely want to interact with you guys, meet some new friends, have some fun, share my experiences, and also hear and share your experiences too. So yeah, please continue supporting the call center show, and I hope to chat with you soon.
Come on!
Yeah.
So yun.
Vote for Angel. Girl power.
Ay.
Comment ako sa...
Galing. So yun, siya si Angel. If you wanna vote for Angel, all you have to do, or if you wanna vote for Ryan or Angel, all you have to do is, first and foremost, like us on Facebook. It's because you cannot vote, or we won't be counting your votes if you won't be liking us on Facebook. We want to make sure that all the voters are legitimate call center show likers. There. So all you have to do is to like us on Facebook and then hit on the link. Dun yun yung pinaka-link na ma-share namin after the show. We're gonna share it. Dun lang. If you're gonna share that, make sure that you redirect your friends or Angel's friends or Ryan's friends to the call center show Facebook page and make sure you vote there. But not only that, you could also you could also vote via our YouTube channel. Yon, ika-count namin yun plus the Facebook likes para malaman namin kung sino ang mananalo sa dalawa. So yun, again, eto, you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Voters may share it on their wall, but the only likes that will be counted is in the original link na nandun sa atin. Deadline of voting is on May 25th, and the winners will be announced on the May 26th episode.
Ayan.
Okay,
So,
ayan.
vote now.
Vote now. Ano pa ba? And dun sa mga voters and likers, boboto lang ba kayo? Magla-like lang ba kayo? No. You have a chance to win.
Shirts.
Okay? From Hiller Shirts.
Yan.
So yun, advice namin mamaya. Maraming nagtatanong sa atin kung saan daw makukuha yung Hiller Shirts. So, if you vote, boboto lang. Sinuportahan nyo na yung kaibigan nyo, mananalo pa kayo ng call center shirts.
Ayan.
Ayun, again, mabalik tayo. Usapang banda ulit. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko lang.
Juice, kulang na lang tasty.
Juice ba yun?
Tasty na lang kulang.
May sarili silang mundo. Bakit mo, okay na okay kayo. Kailan kayo nabuo? Paano at kailan at...
Yan.
Yun yung gusto ko malaman eh.
Nung nagsimula kaming mag-call center, syempre medyo stressful yung trabaho. Hanap kami ng ibang outlet. So, yun nga, yung tugtog na yan. Tapos, parang rec event sa isang account. Tumugtog kami. Doon kami nagsimula, 2006 din. So, matagal na masyado yung grupo namin.
Magkakaano ba kayo? Magkaka-teammate kayo before?
Before.
Sa AB.
Almost magkaka-teammate. Pero may mga ibang line of business. Pero...
Music brought them together.
Yes.
Yun.
Yan.
Usapan para chicks. Yan. Siya. Oh, vocalista eh. Yung vocalista, di ba? Totoo ba yun talaga na vocalist talaga?
Hindi, totoo talaga yung bassist talaga yung... Wala po siya.
Nilalaglag niyo. Yan ang magkakaibigan. Naglalaglag.
Parang laban-laban lang dyan sa bahay.
JB, pistayo, pare. Ayun.
Ikaw wala eh.
Ikaw na yung mag-usapan talaga. So, since 2006 talaga. Yun talaga yung ano. Napakagaling. Anyway, eto, Banda Snooze Box, bibigay sa atin your second song. Anong kakantayin natin?
Ang original song na binuo namin, ginawa namin. Under pa rin dun sa Underground Record. So, this is entitled Pag-ibig.
Uy!
Sakit, sakripisyo ang panlaban sa lubok at naghihirap kong mundo. Pagmamahal sa kapwa, sa Diyos kalikasan at sa bayang duka, nakantangan sa isip, sa puso'y pag-ibig, sa kamay ay gawa. Hey! Hindi mo ba nakikita sa paligid mo mga salitang nasabi? Kailangan mo, kailangan ko pag-ibig, kailangan ang mundo, pag-ibig, kailangan sa buhay ko, pag-ibig, kailangan ko. Pagmamahalan sa saksagutan ng kahirapan, ubusog sa gutom sa katahimikan, sakit sa kapangyarihan ay sagot. Daigdig na payapa, ang hiling ko sana'y may
Sama ang langit, milyong panalangin makakamtan ko. Hey! Hindi mo ba nakikita sa paligid mo mga salitang nasambit? Kailangan mo, kailangan ko pag-ibig, kailangan ang mundo. Pag-ibig, kailangan sa buhay ko. Pag-ibig, kailangan ko. Pag-ibig, kailangan ang mundo. Pag-ibig, kailangan sa buhay ko. Pag-ibig, kailangan ko. Hindi mo ba nakikita sa paligid mo mga salitang nasambit? Kailangan mo, kailangan ko. Pag-ibig, kailangan ang mundo. Pag-ibig, kailangan sa buhay ko. Pag-ibig, kailangan ko.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Rock one.
On a Sunday evening, wala iba maganda kundi mag-juice.
Yun.
Metro walk, mag-juice at mag-jam.
Hindi pa natin pwede.
Hindi pwede. Actually, okay lang naman. Last week naman, ano eh.
Pwede na?
Hindi na, go!
Just lang po talaga siya.
Just lang po talaga siya, juice. Just to make things, yun. Pare, gigs. Mga boss, gigs natin. Saan kayo makikita?
Dude, yan lang.
Kasi panigurado, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat. Every episode, we're getting around 10,000 plus downloads.
Wow!
So, your chance.
Excuse me.
Yellow talaga. Yellow!
Hindi kasi maganda ang juice kapag walang
You can like us on the Facebook na lang.
Sabay ganun yan, nakainom na kayo masyado. Hindi, meron kaming Facebook account, Facebook Snoozebox Band. Pwede nyo kami like doon kami nagbibigay ng mga status ng mga gigs, mga kung ano-ano.
Pero sure na ba yung June 1 di ba?
Tapos,
meron kaming back to school ngayon June 1, ba?
June 1 sa B-Sides, Makati.
B-Side Makati.
Yun. Kami mag-host nun eh.
Ayun. Punta kayo ah.
Talaga kami. Ayun, na-invite kami ni Raymond para mag-host doon. Ang maganda kasi doon, it's a fundraising concert or fundraising gig. Yun, basta it's fun.
It's a fundraiser.
Fun! It's fun and it's fun. Yan. Yun, benefits parang benefits will be used to purchase school supplies for the less fortunate children. I think for Nueva Ecija yata.
It's for a very good cause.
That's the poster. Next week, i-announce namin yun kasi inaayos pa ni Raymond yung poster with all our faces there. Naging pagmumukha natin doon. And the call center show logo. So, yun. Again, ano pa ba? Sure kayo, wala kayong mga latest na...
You can listen to our...
Kasi po yung mga tinugtugan namin, mga nagsara na Mary's, Purple Haze. Kaya parang medyo...
Nakakabakan kami doon
Old school na lang talaga.
Baka magsasara kami dyan.
Hindi naman.
Okay, so yun. Speaking about, since music na yung pinag-uusapan natin, akala nyo, sige.
Can I plug?
Sure.
Yung songs namin, they can listen to Reverb Nation. We have an account there. Okay, punta nila ako sa fanpage sa fanpage sa Snoozebox. Tapos, puntahan nyo nila yung Reverb Nation. Pwede ko naman i-post.
Ano ba yun? Downloadable ba or
Downloadable and they can actually listen to it.
Okay.
So, the songs is actually free.
So yun, support Filipino music.
Yes,
Always.
Yes.
Always. Support the Filipino.
What the hell?
People.
Support OPM. Yan.
Yo.
Bumoto ng tama. Boboto ka ba bukas?
Boboto ako. Wag, sayang ang boto. Yung iba nga binubuhay para bumoto eh. Kahit patay na, diba? Binubuhay para lang bumoto.
Anyway, sige. Bumoto na kayo bukas.
Yan.
Boto niyo si ano? Yung OJT. Ang tagal na reaction.
Ay, ewan ko personally. Bahala kayo. Kung anong trip nyo sa buhay.
Okay. So yun. Since we're talking about music, kala nyo, ito na yung pinaka-main event. Dami nagtatanong sino daw yung may picture na may question mark dun sa The Call Center Show Facebook page. Celebrity guest natin, eto. Siya yan.
What?
Hi, this is Basti Artadi, and look out for it, man. I'm gonna be a guest on the Call Center Show, and I know what you fuckers are thinking, pare. Everybody's like, hindi naman siya call center. Tangina nyo. You wait, pare. I just might surprise you. I got some stories to tell about my life in the States and what I was doing, and I don't know, maybe it just might sync with the whole thing. So look out for it, man. It's coming soon, so rock.
Come on.
What you've been missing on The Factory.
Were you the one who posted, James, regarding the guidelines when it comes to checkpoints?
Yes, I was.
That's fantastic.
Yes, I just made it up, but I thought it was this time of year, right? Elections. You never let the truth get in the way of a good story, okay? Children, do not follow this at home. I'm just kidding. Just so you know your rights. If you do get stopped by a checkpoint,
you are not allowed.
We're able to verify all of these, James.
You're not allowed to run over them. That didn't make it here. So technically... Now, number 2. Upon approach, slow down. I guess that counts as not running them over. Dim headlights and turn on cabin lights. Okay?
Cabin lights.
Mm-hmm. Lock all doors of vehicles during inspection. Since lock.
They might get pissed off because you're locking.
But that's the thing. Okay. This is where they get you. And this is actually, I know we're making fun of it a little bit, but this is a serious issue. We've seen some people genuinely harassed. Drugs are planted and other things, A Justin Bieber CD is planted, which is even worse.
Oh,
yes,
no.
I've heard of that, And there's no defense for that. There's really no defense. Yeah, it's like, but Your Honor, we found this. Throw the book at him. The CD as well.
Then after that, you have to submit your cell phone and everything. And next thing you know, you have a Justin Bieber ringtone.
Catch James Deacon and the boys on Counterflow Wednesdays 7:30 to 8:30 only here on The Factory.
And we're back. Maraming salamat. Hello. Oh, yun yung guest natin. Wala, di ba?
Wala naman.
Abangan nyo. That's gonna be a wild episode. Panoorin nyo rin yung show niya kung gaano. Hindi siya comedian, pero he's really very funny and entertaining. Basti Artadi, soon on the Call Center Show.
Watch out.
Mamaya ma-upload yun na. We're gonna spread the news to our followers. I'm sure marami. Ito.
Ano?
Yan o. Mga ngiti sa mga nito eh.
Basti.
Remember to, laglag pantigang.
Huwag kang ganyan, JS.
Yeah,
so there, watch out for Mr. Basti Artadi.
Feel mo eh.
Bakit mo?
Okay, so bago to mawala sa ulira.
Hindi.
We're gonna do another song, or they're gonna do another song. Ano ba to? Ano to? Cover song. Sige.
Okay. Share.
Flat top, he come grooving up slowly. He got juju eyeball. He won holy roller. He got hair down to his knees. Got to be a joker. He just do what he please, baby. Oh yeah. Here we go now. He wear no shoe shine. He got toe jam football. ball, he got monkey finger. He shoot Coca-Cola. He said, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. Yeah. Oh yeah. He bagged production. He got Walrus Gum, but he got Oh No Sabot. He won Spinal Cracker. He got feet down below his knees. I'll hold you in his armchair. You can feel his disease. Come together right now over me. Thank you very much.
Yeah! Maraming salamat. Snoozebox. Pero bago yan, tuloy na natin ang kwentuhan. Pero bago natin tuloy ang kwentuhan, may mag-join sa atin ngayon. Yung winner from the Skechers GC. Pero announce muna natin yung winner nung... Ito yung mga nag-share nung huli natin.
And the winner
is... Madali na to. AJ Meriles. AJ Meriles. You just won something like this. Okay?
I think it's cool.
Ayun. Tapos, from last week, or from 2 weeks ago, I think we raffled off a Skechers GC worth 2,000 pesos. At ang nanalo ay nandito ngayon. We'd like to call on Mr. Ray De Gia.
Yeah.
Shit! Hindi ka tayo kasha. Dito.
Yun.
Ray. Eto, ikaw yung nanalo. Ikaw yung nabunot namin from, I think 2 episodes ago.
Yep.
2,000 worth of Skechers GC. Akong pasalamatan.
Thank you.
Okay, so ayun. Isang Sunday na masaya, isang Sunday na maulan. But before that, we'd like to thank Hiller Shirts for our shirts.
Yes, thank you.
Buong gabing dumadakdak. Okay? Last week yung di ba? Ano sa'yo?
Call girl.
Call girl.
Call center.
Hey, call boy, call girl. We'd like to thank Hiller Shirts. You may visit them at www.facebook.com Hiller Designs or contact Raymond at 0917-419-3438 or email arpadolina at hillerdesigns.com. Kung nagtatanong kung magkano yung Hiller Design shirts, yung mga nagtatanong kung how much yung Hiller Design shirts or Hiller shirts, it's only for 350 pesos.
Yeah, afford na afford.
Okay, again, we'd like to thank Beyond the Box Studios here in Rockwell in Makati, New Media Factory. Visit nmfnetwork.tv for all the other shows. Napakadaming magandang shows dito sa NMF Network. This is new media. This is TV. Ayan, dito na kayo. Internet.
The future.
Ito na yung future. Again,
like us on Facebook, visit our Facebook page.
So,
what's this? The Call Center Show. Yan.
Alam mo Hey!
Follow us on Twitter as well.
Okay, sige. For suggestion, comments, wild accusations, visit us. Facebook.com/The Call Center Show. Our Twitter account @Call Center Shows or @Call Center Show. You may email us at thecallcentershowph@gmail.com. Again, send us an SMS at nasa screen nyo
0917-377-7022.
Ayun. Ano pa? Meron pa tayo? Yung mga nasa chat, we'd like to thank sina Logical, yung mga laging nasa chat natin, laging nakaabang, nag-screen caps. Ang dami na natin screen caps ngayon. Kalat na kalat na mukha niya sa internet ngayon. Okay? Yung mga nagre-retweet, yung mga nag-invite to watch us live today. Si Eric, nagpapabate, naka-tune in din si Eric ngayon. Eric, one ball. Maraming salamat. Mga boss. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you sa
hopefully, ulit to. Mas malaki stage yung kailangan natin.
Yeah!
Alam, Michael Jackson.
Watch us, guys.
And we'd like to invite yung mga bands na gustong mag-share ng kanilang talento. Welcome na welcome ang call center show. Kailangan lang taga-BPO kayo.
Share the music.
Share the music, share the love. You may coordinate with us with the numbers now or kahit saan dyan, Twitter, email, kahit ano, basta malaman namin na nag-exist kayo.
Exist.
Again, this has been the Call Center Show with JM
and Ella
and Snoozebox. You have a great day.
Yeah. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.